got a rain barrel here, and we're going to be putting it on this gutter right here. You can't just take it and put it in place because you can't hook up to the bib down there on the bottom. We're going to make a simple wooden box is all we're going to do. And I got out of a skid, I got all the boards taken off of it, so we're kind of make it look halfway decent. So we are 21 by 17. So we'll do two 21s. And let's do 14s. So two 14s, the way we'll connect it, we'll make it to where it's 17. Here, so this direction is 17 by 21. We're just going to screw it together. Okay, so there's our top. And then we're going to make 10-inch legs for just 4 10-inch legs here, and we'll put them there in the corner. Alright, so I'm going to just run a board across from inside here to keep it from just sinking into the ground. And I'm making this up as I go, but I don't really have any plans here. So we'll do two 18 inches. So there's our table, a little box or whatever. Alright, so we're 21 on the top wide. So we're going to make all these boards going across 21. So you can see, this is that'll be like the front, like that. We're gonna do this side and then the other side, and then we might do something a little bit different on the top, because we might run a little low on pieces here. Okay, so if you look at this, it's going to shoot the water. On normal rains it'll be fine, but heavy rains is going to shoot it right on off here. So I'm going to end up taking it back right around here, and that'll end up shooting it right down to my screen there. And it'll catch about 95% of the water. So anyhow, you see, I got my box here. The most simple box you can make. I'm going to have my wife stain it, or she can leave it as that. Just won't last as long. Alright, so it's about 14 inches up off the ground. That way she can connect a hose to it, or she can fill up her little watering can thing to water the plants. So, yeah, there you go, guys. If you would, like, share, and subscribe, and I think we're good. We'll wait for some rain.